Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today we went for a really bright, bold look, and I wanted to try to do some tutorials with color and lashes and colored eyeliner and bolder lips, because most of the time I'm very neutral, or I have a lot of berry and mauve kind of bronzy tones because I'm always going to work, and that's when I usually film my tutorials. So today I took some time out and I started looking at my palettes, and someone suggested that I use bolder colors and maybe some glitter and things like that. So this is the look I came up with. This is my version of a sort of like a sunsetty kind of eye look, and there is a red winged liner and some glitter on it. Unfortunately, you can't really see it, so we'll see. But if you want to see how I got this beautiful bold eye look, just keep on watching. So I already primed my eyes with the Essence I Love Color, or excuse me, I Love Stage Color primer, and I already set them, and I have my brows on and a piece of tape on the side to create that cat eye effect. And we're using the ColourPop eyeshadow palette, Yes Please. So it's a colorful palette, and the first color we're using is our transition shade in our crease, and it's called Note to Self. I'm going to really pack that in there because we are using colorful colors and we need good transitions. The first colorful color to start our rainbow eye is the color Mischief. You want to make sure that you pack a good amount of that color, being that it is a yellow. You want to make sure that yellow shines through. The next color is the orange that we're going to be using, and that color is Big Cocktails, and I'm really packing that color in the middle because you want to make sure that it blends really well with the yellow. As you can see, me packing that in. And we're taking it above the crease line. Next, we're going to be going into the red color in the palette, and that color is the color Spoiled. We're going to be winging that color out. And that's going to be the color that's used to make our little cat eye. You want to make sure that you really pack a lot of color on there. You want your eyes to be nice and bright. The next color that we're going to go into is Mischief again, and I changed my brush into a more packing eyeshadow brush because I felt like the yellow was lacking a little bit, and I really want that yellow to stand out. And now, to take all those harsh lines out, we're going to go into the color Note to Self and blend that all out. Next, we're going into our inner corner highlight, and I'm using the Super Shock Shadow in the color Liberty by ColourPop. Now I'm grabbing my NYX Epic liquid liner, doing my liner off camera. Now we're going to go into the NYX vinyl liner in red, and we're going to apply that above our black liner so that it can stand out a bit more. And now we're going to do our waterline and our tight line with the Essence Everlasting Black Eyeliner in the color Black Love. You want to make sure that you get all of that tight line in so that you don't see any skin peeking through. Next, I went in with the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glitter Liner in the color White Gold. And now, peeling off that tape, you see how defined our eye looks. And now I put on concealer because I had the rest of my face on, and I powdered and made sure that all that was done. Now to do my lower lash line, we're going to go into the Modern Mattes palette by BH Cosmetics because we're doing a rainbow effect and the Yes Please palette doesn't have the other colors. So the first color we're going to go into is that green color. I'm going to use that in our inner eye. And I'm just using the same packing brush that I used before. Then we're going to go in with our blue and then our purple. Now I'm going in with the Avon lip liner in the color Coral, and I'm lining my lips. Next I'm taking the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in the color Cozy and putting that all over my lips. And this is the final look. If you liked watching me create this colorful rainbow eye look, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate you lovely beauties watching me. Please come back and I'll see you beauties later. Bye.